welcome to the Wheesearch YouTube channel. My name is Carly Smashes Lipstick, and today I am so excited to bring you another makeup tutorial inspired by the Snow White 7 Dwarfs collection from May Cosmetics. You guys know I am absolutely in love with this palette, and if you want to check out the full review of this palette as well as all the lipsticks, you can watch that right here on this channel, as well as check out another makeup tutorial I did for the holiday season. But today we are going to do a look that's for going out on the town with your girls. I call this Someday My Prince Will Come, and it's featuring all the classic colors from Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. But before I get started, please be sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you guys know whenever we make a new upload. We do lots of makeup tutorials and reviews on this channel, and pretty soon we're going to have some pretty awesome story times and things that are going to cover all the coolest trends of 2018. So definitely be sure to subscribe, that way you don't miss out. Alright, so we're going to take advantage of some of the really fun colors here in the Snow White palette. I'm super excited. We're going to use some of the blues in here, the grays, and the blacks to really make a really fun pop color look for a fun night out with the girls. So taking a big fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm going to start off with this Aqua 108. And this is going to provide the foundation for the color that we're going to use for this look. And I'm going to use this and basically make like a rainbow around my eyelid, using the crease as a guide. We're creating a halo effect around the eyelid itself, so we're going to leave the eyelid on the top here clear so that way we can have the color surrounding it. And this is basically just a windshield wiper motion, super easy, and since the product doesn't apply on the eyelids super thick, you're going to need to add a couple coats of this to really deepen the blue. But we want this to be big and fun and just add that huge pop of color. Alright, I'm now going to deepen this color using Royal 111 here. And this is that classic blue color that we see in Snow White's main dress that she wears. I'm taking a flatter, fluffier brush just to be able to get inside that crease a little bit better. And I'm just going to push that in, keeping it to the outer and the inner corners. But again, not putting any product on the ball of my eyelid. Now this outer portion doesn't really matter as much because later we're going to bring it down underneath the eyelid. So if it kind of fans out a little bit, feel free to just keep blending and blending out until the product almost disappears. Alright, we got lots of blue fun pops of color, but we're going to add just one more touch of darkness on that outer V to really add to the drama. I'm going in with Gray 111, which is the almost black, not quite black, but almost black shade here, just in the outer V. And I'm using the same brush from earlier so I can pick up some more of that blue, keeping the tone really cool. And a little bit really goes a long way here. You don't want to add a bunch of black. I'm barely tapping it and very softly adding it to the outer V of my eye. So taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm now just going to blend out the top edges almost all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, I'm going to bring some of that dark blue color underneath my eyes. Of course, you don't want to go too heavy with this so you don't look like a ghost. But I'm going to go in with that Royal 111 again, the deep blue, and just bring this very softly underneath the outer portion of my eyelid. Alright, taking a small flat brush, I'm now going to take Aqua 108, that brighter blue color, and use that in the inner portion of my under eye. Alright, you're probably wondering, what are we going to do about your eyelid? Well, we're going to cover it with white and blend it out. So let's get going on that. Taking a small flat brush, I'm going to go in with Pastel 105, that white shade, and put that right in that center of the eyelid, and we're just going to blend that out into the blue. To keep from getting the white shadow all mixed in with the blue too early, so then you don't really have a true white, just make sure you stick in the inside of that middle section of your eyelid and only pat down the color there, and then as you're happy with the white shade in the middle, then begin to blend out. Another option, of course, is using another brush to blend the white out into the blue. Alright you guys, I'm just going to take a hint of that Royal 111 again, and then just use this to really smooth out that blend as a transitionary color between the white and the darkness. Fabulous. Once your eyes are all finished, you can add some eyeliner and some false lashes to really jazz up the look, or just some really good mascara to get your eyelashes all fluttery. So I'm gonna go do that right now and I'll check back in with you in a second. Okay you guys, I've got my lashes as well as my eyeliner on. I went pretty dramatic with this because that blue eyeshadow is really bright and popping out, so you can really go crazy with your eyeliner and your lashes. I do have false lashes on, and I also line my waterline with a black pencil liner just to really add to that deep effect. Also, I put a little bit more blush and my bronzer on just to really make the face as dramatic as the eyes. Now moving on, we're going to go into lips, and for this look we're going to use the color Sneezy, which is the deep red color. Super excited to use this in a look. I think this would look great in an evening event or a night out, and it'll just be super fun to try this look on. So let's get the lipstick on. Alright, we've got the lipstick on. This looks so cool. I'm so into this. This is so much the Snow White colors that I remember, the deep reds and the blues, and I think that this would just be such a fun look to go out in and find your Prince Charming, and also just have a good old time with your best friends forever. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching this channel on Wheesearch, and thanks for tuning in to watch this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new makeup tutorial or trend from Wheesearch, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.